Hey guys, it's Ruby here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and that you've had the most amazing start to 2022. Now I have a huge thing for face oils. I just love the way that they make my foundations and my concealers look, especially as a drier skin type. So I tend to use face oils as a product to prep my skin before makeup. And it also makes my skin glow. Like it just makes my skin look so youthful and radiant and just healthy. That's why I love them. That's why I use them. These are some of the new face oils that I've discovered in 2021 that I think are the creme de la creme that you can use not just on your face. Some of them are multi-use products and we love a multi-use product because you really get like every penny's worth with like a multi-use product. So some of these oils you can use on your body, on your face, on your hair, over makeup to give you like a really nice highlight, which is what I did, as you can see, and it won't disturb your makeup. This is what I'm using, this is what I'm loving, so please keep on watching. The first on my list is the Synergie Skin Gloomy Balance Multi-Active Face Oil. Out of all of the face oils in my skincare collection, including the face oils that I mentioned in my last face oils video, this Lumi Balance Multi-Active Face Oil is the fastest absorbing, most lightweight formula I have ever used in my life. Not only is it anti-aging, containing 8 active oils, but it visibly helps to improve your skin's luminosity. So your skin looks so much more youthful, regenerated, refreshed, plump. This is actually the newest oil in the Synergie Skin collection or Synergie Skin skincare line, and honestly, all skin types can benefit from this formula because it is non-greasy, fast absorbing, like I said, and ultra lightweight. So even people with oilier skin types can benefit from using this oil to help balance their skin. There is no artificial fragrance used when formulating this oil. In fact, the only fragrance you can smell is kind of like this sweet herbaceous scent, and that comes naturally from the hero ingredient, which is prickly pear seed oil. I like to use it before my makeup to prep my skin because my foundation just glides and stretches over the top with ease. It's just such a pleasure to use cosmetics on top of this formula as a base for your makeup. And as a drier skin type, when I'm wearing fuller coverage foundations like I'm wearing here, the luminosity is still able to kind of penetrate through the foundation, making it look like your skin is more natural instead of like you're wearing too much makeup. If you are shopping for a new oil, I highly recommend this one, and I'll definitely leave my coupon code for you so you can get some money off. Everyone has heard of the Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream, but not many people know that there is an Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream all over oil. And I mean all over. This is like a multi-use oil that you can use through your hair, on your face, on your skin, or your body, I should say. And it's something that I like to drench my body with because it provides a beautiful luminosity, provides moisturization, and it also has a beautiful scent, a very elegant scent. One thing that I also like to do is add it to the high points of my face to act as a highlighter, and also through my hair to manage flyaways. So this is something that I pop in my summer bag. Next, I have an oil from the skincare brand Pi. This is the Light Fantastic Calm Cacao Schisandra Ceramide Face Oil. This is the only face oil which I use on slightly damp skin. So I usually like to have my shower. Usually my showers are scalding hot, which is why my skin is quite red. And what I like to do is I like to press quite a generous amount of this oil onto my face, onto my neck, onto my shoulders, my chest area, wherever I can, just to quench my skin or to moisturize my skin. It is very gentle and very, very fast absorbing if you apply it to slightly damp skin. That's just how it works. Finally, I have the go-to face hero, and this has rosehip oil, beautiful different nut oils that are rich in beautiful fatty acids that are just so good for the skin. And some of them even mimic, your own skin's oil production or oil structure. So it's really, really moisturizing and nourishing and anti-aging. So it has all of these awesome skincare benefits, right? But I like to actually use this mixed in with my foundations, especially more fuller coverage matte foundations if I want some versatility. Even though this oil is slightly orangey from the rosehip oil, it won't alter or change the color of your foundation. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and I look forward to chatting to you all really soon.